Hi, I'm Jeff Plant. I'm the Assistant Director of Operations here at the Miami Airport. There's 206 escalators, 312 elevators, and 98 moving walks that we are responsible to maintain. Some of the units are down for preventative maintenance. Even if all of our units were brand new, we would always have a percentage of units down for repair to conduct inspections, the clean downs. There's a lot of maintenance, and that's all about safety. That's making sure the unit is operating as designed for the safety of those who are using it. Then there are units that fail, that are needing repair for a handrail or a step chain, or there's just numerous things. An escalator alone has 12,000 parts. So there's a lot that can happen. Our units are on the older side, and in many cases, the parts have to be fabricated by the manufacturer in order for us to obtain them. We store, millions of dollars in parts on site, but you can't store every part. So what we're doing is we are planning some major repairs on units, and we're going to order those parts in bulk. And that gives the manufacturer a good reason to accommodate these types of parts as opposed to the parts that they're now selling. So that would shorten the time in which it will take to get the parts. We certainly have our share of units that have been down for extended periods of time. We recently embarked on this huge program to modernize our units. And we were able to get $600 million approved for the program. That added additional headcount and coverage for the elevator companies, and it also has modernization funding in it. So we have made conveyances a priority for us, and we understand how critical it is for the customers in terms of them transiting the airport. Once we get our first grouping of new equipment for units, you will see a marked difference in the reliability of our equipment.